Random input is a creative thinking technique that, as the name suggests, introduces random or unexpected elements into the brainstorming or design process. The idea behind random input is that by exposing yourself to completely unrelated or surprising stimuli, you can jolt your mind out of conventional thought patterns and generate unique ideas. In practice, random input is often used when a designer or team feels stuck in a creative rut. If you find that your ideas are becoming repetitive or predictable, random input can help by injecting fresh inspiration into your process. The technique encourages serendipity, where unexpected connections or ideas arise simply because your mind has been exposed to new, unrelated information. One way to apply random input is through the use of random word or image generators. There are online tools that can give you a random word, phrase, or picture, which you can then use as a starting point for brainstorming. The key is to let this random input trigger new ideas, even if it seems absurd or disconnected from your original problem. The randomness helps shake up your thinking, forcing you to find connections where there may not seem to be any. Imagine you're working on a design for a new ergonomic chair, and you're struggling to come up with something original. You might use a random word generator and get a word like dolphin. While it seems completely irrelevant at first, you might start thinking about how dolphins are highly mobile, flexible, and streamlined. From there, you could start designing a chair that mimics the graceful curvature of a dolphin's body, or perhaps incorporates flexible materials that adapt to the user's posture. The point of random input is to disrupt your thought process and lead you down unexpected pathways. The random input technique is widely used in the design world. It has even been institutionalized in some design processes. One famous example is the creative methodology known as Synectics, developed by William J.J. Gordon. Synectics encourages designers and problem solvers to actively seek out random or abstract stimuli to solve problems. The method involves connecting seemingly unrelated ideas to the task at hand, allowing creativity to flourish in ways it wouldn't through linear thinking. Another method of applying random input is by physically changing your environment. Often, designers will find inspiration in new surroundings, whether it's stepping into nature, visiting a museum, or simply rearranging their workspace. The new environment introduces fresh sensory input that can stimulate creative thoughts. Taking a walk outside, for instance, might help you notice patterns in nature that can inspire a solution in your design project. The important thing to remember with random input is that there are no wrong answers. Every random stimulus, no matter how odd or irrelevant it seems at first, can lead to valuable new ideas. The randomness disrupts conventional thought patterns and allows for creative exploration. The next time you're brainstorming or designing, try introducing random words, sounds, or images into your process. Let your imagination run wild, and don't be afraid to explore ideas that seem out of left field. Often, the most innovative designs come from the most unexpected inspirations.